Good morning friends, I am Dr. Shilpi Saxena and I welcome you all in my channel Life Skills. As you know that in this channel we discuss about various skills related to our personality, related to our professional life. And in this series today we will discuss a very important skill, that is interview skills. As you know that before getting a job we have to face interview, and somewhere we have some phobia regarding interview because we don't know what kind of questions can be asked and what is the right way to answer. So today in this video we will discuss what is interview, what is the need to conduct interview, and what is the purpose of interview, what kind of questions can be asked in interview, and what is the right way to answer the questions. So let's start. First of all, we must know what is interview. Job interview is a pre-arranged and planned conversation used for evaluating the suitability of a candidate for a particular position. In this video, we will come to know the different parts of interview. For example, purpose of interview, types of interview, factors responsible for interview, characteristics of job interview, pre-interview preparations, various kinds of questions that are asked in interview, and the right way to answer the questions. So first of all, we must know what is the purpose of conducting interview. Interview is a formal meeting during which the employer and the applicant exchange information. This formal meeting has dual purpose. The first is to find out the best candidate available for the job, and the second is the applicant's objective is to find the job best suited to his goal. Now we will come to know what are the various kinds of interview. The first is information gathering interview, the second is appraisal interview that conduct within the organization for getting promotion, persuasive interview, exit interview. This is also one of the important part in interview session. This interview is conducted when an employee has to leave the job, just keeping the record by the employees leave the job. So this kind of interviews are conducted. Counseling interview and hiring or selection interview. So today we will discuss about the last interview category, that is hiring or selection interview. Before discussing interview questions and the right way to answer it, we must know what are the factors that are responsible for interview. So these factors are: the first is growing competition in the job market. As we know that the market is very tough. There is cutthroat competition in the market. For one job there are hundreds of candidates. So this is the major factor for conducting interview. The second is changing demands. The third is increasing focus on candidates' interpersonal skills. As we know that some jobs are skill-based jobs and every job demands some specific skills and need of specific skills for a specific job. So now we will discuss the very important part of interview, that are the questions, how the questions develop, what are the structure of asking questions. So there are 6 kind of questions. The first is open questions, second is closed questions, third is probing questions, fourth is reflexive, loaded and hypothetical questions. So first of all we must know about open questions. The very first question the interviewer may ask: tell me something about yourself. So here you are supposed to give your brief introduction. Brief, remember this word brief. So the right way to answer this question, you have to talk about your achievements, your interests, your academic qualification, your experience. Don't talk about your family details until or unless it is not asked. The second one is closed questions. Closed questions, the answer is very short in this kind of question. This type of job interview question calls for simple information answers, sometimes just a yes or no answers. These queries can help you quickly gain factual information. Example: when did you complete your graduation? From where you received your professional degree? How many years did you work for the last employer? Are you comfortable working in remote areas? Do you have much experience with social media? So these kind of very short questions. So you should have good information about yourself, because these kind of questions will check the authenticity and credibility of the candidate. So answer of these questions are very specific and short and should be well remembered by the candidate. Now the third questions. Now the level will be getting tougher. The probing questions. Probing questions are a vital tool to find more information or extract a deeper meaning or understanding. By using open probing questions, an interviewer can focus on one or more of your response to get a better understanding of particular aspects of your personal qualities, skills or experience. So here the purpose of asking this kind of question, the interviewer may want more information about you or to check your confidence. For example, tell me something more about you, or can you explain a little more about it? So in this kind of question, the interviewer will check your confidence and he wants to get more information about you. Now the right way to answer of this kind of questions. The secret to answer probing questions effectively is to know as much about the demands of the job as possible and to understand how your skills and experience match the job criteria. So the loaded questions must be answered in such a way that demonstrate your intelligence, a positive attitude and good communication skills. Identify any questions you are likely to be asked that may trigger sadness, anger or fear and prepare to answer these calmly. So you can analyze, that's why I said in the beginning, before going for interview, analyze your weakness, analyze your skills. So in loaded questions, they may demotivate you by asking some negative questions, but you don't have to get demotivated and you have to show your positive attitude while answering loaded questions. The next is hypothetical questions. Hypothetical questions are asked to put in an imaginary situation and ask you how would you react. They are similar to role play. Interview may ask these type of questions to assess your problem solving skills, your behavioral skills, your creative and logical thinking. For example, if you won a lottery, what would you do with the money? In the future, our company goes bankrupt. What do you think are the factors that lead to this? So in this type of question, the interviewer will give a situation and you have to imagine a situation. So this kind of questions are asked to check your creative thinking, your logical, your reasoning and your problem solving skills. So how to answer these kind of questions? Don't get hurry in answering these kind of questions. You have to pause, reflect and clarify. You have to externalize your thinking and you have to integrate actual experience. You have to feel that situation, only then you have to answer all these kind of questions. So this is all about interview questions. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe this. Thank you.